Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this card using the Reinkers and the Tasteful Touches stamp set. Okay, let's get started. So I'm going to use our watercolor paper, and the colors I used for this card were just Jade, Magenta Madness, and Misty Moonlight, but I think I'm going to switch the Misty Moonlight for the Bumblebee. Yeah, the Bumblebee. That's what I'm going to do. Okay. So what I did is I just put a little drop of each ink on this plastic thing that I have here. What I'm going to do is just wet the paper first, and I just did, oh yeah, I forgot to clean this off, but it's okay because we're going to use the Magenta Madness on top. You know what? Just going to get it wet first. Disclaimer, I'm not a professional watercolor painter, so I kind of just do what I like, what I think looks nice. I'm just going to go in with a heat gun and just dry this off really quick. Oh, actually, wait. No. I'm going to go in first, before I do the heat gun. I'm going to go in with this all-purpose ink and frost white. Where's my other, oh, here it is. And I'm just going to go in here and just flick this on here. Okay, now I'm going to use the heat gun to dry this up. Okay, after that's dried up, I'm just going to trim this down because this watercolor paper is 5 by 7, I believe. Yes, 5 by 7. Okay, I'm going to trim this down to 5 1/4 by 4. Okay, next we're going to emboss these little leaves and the sentiment. So for the sentiment, I just took a scrap. I think this was 3 1/4, and then I just left the length just so I can do the little banner at the end. Okay, so let's do the leaves first. I'm going to use black embossing powder. This is retired from Stampin Up, but you can use whatever you have. Okay, now I'm going to emboss this. I'll be back. Okay, so After everything is embossed, I'm going to assemble the card. So for the base of the card, I'm using just Jade, and this is 11 by 4 1/4. Yeah, so 11 by 4 1/4. And I just folded it in the middle. Then I'm going to add this layer of Whisper White, which is 5 1/2 by 4 1/4. And I'm just going to adhere that on there. And then I'm going to adhere the watercolor paper to the top of the Whisper White. Okay, now I'm going to attach some metallic thread. Let me see where I want it. Right about there, yeah. I'm just making a couple loops. And then to make the little banner, I'm just gonna trim it here and then cut in the middle up. Yeah, just cut in the middle and then cut to the sides to the center. And then you have your banner. And I'm going to pop this up with dimensionals. And then to finish it off, I'm going to use some of these Elegant Faceted Gems. I'm just going to scatter these around. And there you have it, a watercolored card using the re-inkers. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and I will talk to you later. Thank you. Bye.